Welcome to FutureProof Nsukites. Welcome to the FutureProof Nsukites learning management system. Learn from experts, build practical skills, and prepare for a successful digital future.
Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to AI literacy class. Today I'm going to take you through the module 1 of this training course. This training contains a 4 module and 12 videos which contains 5 minutes per video. So in this training I'm going to guide you through AI literacy, how you are going to use AI ethically and purposefully. So everything you will learn at the end of this training session on this AI literacy includes a 4 modules learning guide that teach you about how AI look like, how you can use AI, the whole foundation of AI, how AI should be implemented, apart from the way we normally use AI to chat, maybe ask questions with AI, how you can move from just ideation to building AI powered solutions and also using AI ethically and purposefully. So now we are going to dive into the foundations of artificial intelligence. In this module, you understand what artificial intelligence is all about, when you should use AI, why AI, what is artificial intelligence, when should I use AI. So now the question is, what is artificial intelligence? What I'm going to take you through is the definition, the types, and how you can implement it in everyday life. We normally know AI as artificial intelligence, just the word artificial intelligence. But what specifically is artificial intelligence? The types of artificial intelligence. We can see AI in so many places. We use AI in creating videos, we use AI in typing documents, we use AI in creating images, and so many more. But what specifically like the type of AI we are using? Is this a generative AI or is what kind of AI? So that is what I'll be teaching you guys in this video. Moving next, why AI literacy matters. Why am I teaching this course? Why do you need to know about AI literacy before you start using AI? The AI and the opportunity for work. AI opportunities, responsible use of AI, all these things will be taught at the end of this course. You master all these things by the end of this course. Also, the popular AI tools, everyone you should know. You know all these AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilots, Canva AI, and other productivity tools. But one thing is certain. When should I use this AI? What is the capabilities of this AI? I can't just be using ChatGPT to ask questions. Same thing I should be using Gemini to ask questions. Both of them has their own limits. Both of them has capabilities, what they are good at. Which one is more best in image generation and which one is not the best in image generations? You'll be taught about that. Let me just give example like ChatGPT as an image generation tool that can be used to ask questions and also generate images. That is, for example, ChatGPT. Also think about Gemini as what you can use to type documents, something you can do research, what has to do with study, learning entirely, and also maybe writing codes as well. Gemini. Let's think about Claude as a powerful tool for coding, type coding, like creating codes, like so many things doing with Claude. Then think about Copilot as an assistant that help you in typing, like it help you to brainstorm ideas, summarize so many things. Then think about Canva AI as a productivity tool for designing. You can design flyers, logo, so many things with Canva AI. Instead of the manual process, you have to go and be doing, bringing these icons together, bring those icons to like the the fonts, the text, everything together to form a single flyer or logo. You can just prompt AI in Canva and it will create it for you. Then we now dive into the skills we are going to learn at the end of this course. What are the skills you are going to gain by the end of this course? By the end of this course, I expect each and every one of you to understand AI fundamentals. You understand what AI is, how it works, and the different types of the AI that shapes modern technology. You also identify AI applications. You recognize where AI already shows up in everyday life, work, and creative processes. We are using calendar. Let me just give you an example like you using alarm, your phone. Like the Muslims, I can simply give example with the Muslims whereby you no longer need to be putting alarm for prayers again. Your phone can automatically tell you when it is prayer time. These are some automations happening in our system, in our phone, like in our mobile phones, in our everyday life. But we have been using this AI for a while without knowing that it is AI we are using. So we are now in the era that everybody is using AI. AI is everywhere. You like it or you don't like it, you are using AI. Also, how you can navigate from common using common AI tools to confidently use between ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Canva AI, and more for productivity and intentional use. We are using AI as just an artificial intelligence, but the mindset shift now is from using AI as just a tool that answers questions to using AI as a powerful assistant, as an agent for productivity, and that helps you to reclaim your credit, your creativity, not replace you. Have this in mind in your mind that you are not just learning this just as a tool that you'll be asking question like just doing the manual process you normally do every day. You are learning this so that it helps you to reclaim your creativity. You are learning this so that you can implement it in what you have been doing, not just allowing the AI to replace you. So in last but not the least, by the end of this course, I should expect that you now understand the AI language, how to use the AI, and when to use the AI. So in our next session, I'm going to take you through a short tutorials on how to use these AI models I mentioned, how to use ChatGPT, how to use Claude, how to use Copilot, how to use Canva AI for productivity. So see you again in the next tutorial video. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for learning with FutureProof Nsukites. Keep learning, keep building, and together, let's create the future.